Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Bitcoin hyper token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, BTC Hyper is the first true Bitcoin layer 2 enabling fast low cost BTC transactions while bringing staking, DeFi and on-chain application directly to the Bitcoin ecosystem. Powered by a high throughput SVM engine, it transforms BTC from a so it transformed BTC from a slow settlement network into a fully programmable environment. BTC Hyper redefines what's possible on Bitcoin. Bitcoin Hyper token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion hyper token. Hyper token is listed on Uniswap V2 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project only 60% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. This project may be a scam. Thanks for watching.